This is Kurtz Ersa Connect, our future-proof and growing platform. Kurtz Ersa Connect hosts different features. First of all, I would like to show you the view of a customer. The customer can see all new tickets, and also the customer can create new service tickets. With the intelligent ticket system, the customer, together with Kurtz Ersa, can improve the whole service process. Furthermore, all relevant documents can be added to the portal, and later on, the people working with the machine can get access to the necessary documentation. These documents can be organized directly by the customer. Furthermore, the customer can create his own overview about all his necessary machines, as well as an overview about the different facilities. Like every other web page, it's possible to change the language and to do basic changes and settings. This is the internal view on our Kurtz Ersa Connect platform. What we see here is the overview of our intelligent ticket system. As you see, there are some customers which enabled the remote access and some who did not. If the customers enable remote service, the whole service process can be faster. For the remote access, there are two components necessary. The one part is the software, what we see here with our Kurtz Ersa Connect platform, and the other part is the hardware. So in every machine which needs to enable remote access, there needs to be a hardware gateway which is mounted into the machine and connected to the machine PC.
I want to give you a short introduction about the new e-learning system. We have in the Kurtz Ersa Connect system the e-learning button. I will show it to you on the screen. You only have to press the e-learning button and can then jump directly to the e-learning dashboard. With the dashboard, you see every information about your customer, about details, for example, completed training, certificates. Also, you have some courses, the last added course and recommended course that you can jump directly to the courses. Also, on the KI Connect side, you have the course overview. Here you can see every process and can select one process and jump into this process and pick up one machine that you like. If you go and study now, you jump directly on the screen. I will give you a short introduction about how an e-learning course look like. Here I go on the dashboard and I will show you the Productronica course. Here you can see a short overview with some activities that the learners can pick. And if you can jump into these activities, you will see there's very much content about service, about maintenance, about the operation of the SSF 5, for example. And here I will give you a short overview. With the next button you can go to the next steps and jump to the information. Here you can see some tabs with some information about it. And if I go back, I can go every time to the overview back and can also make videos in there and also a test where I can watch the summary of the questions. Was my question correct, incorrect? We have different methods to show these questions, and only if the customer makes a process and learns something, he can jump to the next activity, and he has to maybe reach 100% and he can go to the next activity and make it to the next activity, the next content. All this will be implemented in the middle of next year, and you have access to this platform via the Kurtz Ersa Connect platform, and there you have the access to it.
For further information, please visit our website kurzersa.com.